Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here a contemporary part 2 story, co-joined residence that has been redesigned to facilitate two households. The property is great for investment. Section A has 2 bedrooms with built-in closet, 1 bathroom, living area, sitting area, dining area, kitchen with double sink, floor and wall mounted cupboards, and tiled countertop. Utility area that is fitted for washing machine, and an external laundry area with single wash tub and enclosed porch. Section B, which is the ground floor, as a living dining area, kitchen with double sink, floor and wall mounted cupboard and tiled countertop, powder room, laundry area with fittings for washing machine and a covered small entry porch. Upper floor has 2 bedrooms with built-in closed closets and 1 bedroom with linen closet. The land area of this house is approximately 2,776 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.